Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today, I'm going to quickly show you guys how to add numbers quickly for Excel. So, initially, let's say we have this row of numbers that we want to add up and we want to get a sum for. All we have to do is skip the box that's in between the box that we're going to add to. So, we're going to skip this box right here, or we're going to skip this cell, and we're going to start typing this. So, the first thing you're going to type is an equal sign, and the equal sign kind of shows you that shows Excel that we're starting to create a formula for adding or for anything else. And now we actually want to use the name of the formula to start the adding process by just going and typing sum. And right here, you click on sum, it adds a parentheses, and all we have to do now is click on the first number and then scroll down to the last number we want to add, and then close off this formula with a parentheses, and then click enter. And now you have added the sum of all of these numbers, and here is your number. Thank you guys for watching. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like. If you have any questions, comment down below. Thank you guys for watching and have a great day.